All right, I'm back at it with meal prepping, and I wanted to show you what I'm meal prepping this week. I am loving these glass containers by Fit Strong and Healthy. They are super cute. I'm going to do some breakfast and some lunches. For breakfast, I'm doing hard-boiled eggs, some cheese with a little bit of sea salt and honey on it, and some fruit. And then for lunch, I'm going to do some rolled up pieces of turkey, some bell peppers, and some fruit. I am absolutely loving these Fit Strong and Healthy glass containers. They are aesthetically pleasing in my fridge, which just makes meal prepping that much more fun when you have cute containers for everything. And I love the compartments. They make it easy for my food to not touch, which is nice. And they're just durable. I also love that they can go in the microwave if I am meal prepping something that I want to heat up real quick. This time I'm not, but I am always switching up my meal prepping. So yeah, I am absolutely loving these containers. You should definitely get yourself some. Look at how cute they are. They're awesome. Definitely love these.